This is LeetCode question number 200, numbers of island. This is medium question. Let's get into it. This is one of very famous question. Please, I hope you solve it very carefully, and then let's get into it. Okay. Given a 2D grid map of the 1 is the string 1 is island, and then 0 is water. Count the number of island. An island is surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent land horizontally or vertically. You may assume all 4 edges of the grid are all surrounded by water. Let's check with example 1. Okay, land is from here, this one is land 1, and then this one is land 1. So there are only one land, island, and then second is this one is first island, second island, third island is the 3. How we can solve it? Yes, we can solve with recursion. So I'm gonna solve with the recursion. First, when the scan matrix, when we find land, and then I will start to recursion here. And first I will change land to water here, and then change water to here, and then change water to here, and then change water to here. Okay, let's take example 2. First, I found land here, and then I will try to check here, 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 and then this one is cannot. This one is possible, so change it, and this one cannot, change it. And this time there are no cell to change, so finish it, and then continue to scan, find it. So doing same thing, and scan, find, doing same thing. So finally we found 3 islands. Okay, let's implement it. Okay, I will make a helper, the recursion function, and then pass a location of cell, row, and column. And recursion has 2 parts. One is base case and recursion relationship. So base case if not 0 row length grid, and 0 column also same pattern, column smaller than length grid first row, and then n grid row column. Current grid must be land, and then return. Okay, then I will change current cell to water. Water is the string 0, and then land is string 1. Please be careful. I think that this one is one of our tests, how we can read question carefully. And then I will check the neighbor. Helper, now column. I will check for direction. Row +1, column +1, row -1, column -1, and then I will scan the grid for row in range, length, grid, and then for column in range, length, grid, 0. If grid row and column is length. I will increase counter 1. And then start helper from current set and return count. Oops. Oh. Okay, one more time. Okay, looks good. Okay, good. In this tab, let's check complexity. Time complexity. While scan matrix, it takes the linear time, and then while the iteration, it also take linear time. But in this time, it's not n multiply n, just 2n. So we can say it take linear time with space complexity. Recursion use system stacks. So worst case system stack, if matrix is consists of all length, in this case recursion system stack need to same amount of cells, so we can say it take linear time with linear space. Thank you.